Hi everyone. Again, you are welcome back with the channel Alan's Venture. Hope you all are doing great. So today, it's a rainy day, and we are inside the Lodi Garden, and here we are going to explore Masjid Bada Gumbad. At my right side, that is called Bada Gumbad. It used to be the guest house, you can say, and just from my backside there is the mosque can be seen, and we are going to show you in this video Masjid Bada Gumbad and the amazing stone carving art with the stone and the motif designs, the floral art. And this is, I would say, the most fascinating mosque situated in Delhi, which have the fabulous stone carving art. And in this video, we are going to have a deep information about this amazing mosque and the history behind. So let's go. So, my dear friend, this was the history of Masjid Bada Gumbad, a mosque nearby the guest house. And whenever I just visit the Lodi Garden, I just mesmerized all the time. It's a stone carving art is fascinating. It's always attract the audience, the visitors to side itself, and its tell the huge history of the Lodi dynasty. The Bada Gumbad Masjid is one of the remarkable monuments inside Lodi Garden, Delhi. Built during the Lodi dynasty, 1451 to 1526. It stands beside the Grand Bada Gumbad Big Dome, which is not a dome but an imposing gateway-like structure. Together, the mosque, the Gumbad, and the Mehman Khana guest house form an architectural complex. History of Bada Gumbad Masjid. Date of construction around 1490 during the reign of Sikandar Lodi. The mosque was built adjoining the Bada Gumbad, showcasing early Indo-Islamic architecture. Unlike the Gumbad, which was primarily ornamental, the mosque was functional and used for prayers. It is one of the earliest mosques with a true dome in Delhi, showing the transition from Sayyid to Lodi architectural styles, stone carving and ornamentation inside. The interior of Bada Gumbad Masjid is famous for its detailed stone carving and plaster work, floral and geometric motifs. The wall and arches are filled with geometric pattern, floral, arabesque, and intricate jalis work, stone lattice, calligraphy. Verses from the Quran are carved and inscribed as in Naqsh and Kufis scripts across the arches and mihrabs. Mihrab decoration. The central mihrab prayer niche is beautifully framed with stucco carving, painting motifs, and Quranic calligraphy. Selling artwork. The mosque dome and ceiling still preserve faint tracks of plaster painting and color pattern which must have been revived in the 15th century. Material. Grey sandstone with fine stucco ornamentation was used, reflecting the typical Lodi era style, massive yet graceful. Architectural important. The Bada Gumbad Masjid is considered a prototype for a later Mughal mosque, as it introduced feature like a three-dome prayer hall with a decorated interior. It combines austere Lodi exteriors with highly ornamented interior, making it one of the most artistic monument of its time. बड़ा गुंबद मस्जिद का इतिहास निर्माण काल लगभग 1490 ईस्वी में लोधी वंश के शासक सिकंदर लोधी के शासनकाल में। यह मस्जिद दिल्ली के लोधी गार्डन में स्थित है और पास में बना बड़ा गुंबद तथा एक मेहमान खाना गेस्ट हाउस के साथ एक स्थापत्य समूह बनाती है। दिलचस्प बात यह है कि पास का बड़ा गुंबद वास्तव में कोई मकबरा टॉम्ब नहीं है, बल्कि एक विशाल प्रवेश द्वार गेटवे जैसी इमारत है। मस्जिद को नमाज अदा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता था और यह लोधी काल की शुरुआती में महत्वपूर्ण मस्जिदों में से एक थी। मस्जिद के अंदर की नक्काशी व सजावट। मस्जिद के अंदर बेहतरीन पत्थर की नक्काशी, स्टोन कर्विंग और प्लास्टर की कारीगरी देखने को मिलती है। ज्यामितिया और फूल पत्ती डिजाइन दीवारों के मेहराब आर्चेस पर उकेरे गए हैं। कुरान की आयतें नक्श और फूफिक लिपि स्क्रिप्ट में मेहराबों और दीवारों पर खुदी हुई है। मेहराब प्रार्थना स्थल को सुंदर कलाकारी, अरबी लिखावट और नक्काशी से सजाया गया है। छत और गुंबद पर उस समय की प्लास्टर पेंटिंग और रंगीन डिजाइन के अवशेष रिमेन आज भी देखे जा सकते हैं। मस्जिद ग्रे बलुआ पत्थर से बनाई है और इसमें लोधी काल की विशेषता बाहर से सादा लेकिन अंदर से बेहद सजीव ऑर्नामेंटेड कला दिखाई देती है। स्थापित महत्व। यह मस्जिद दिल्ली की उन शुरुआती मस्जिदों में से है जिसमें सच्चे गुंबद, ट्रू डॉम और 3 गुंबदों वाला नमाज हॉल बनाया गया। इसके बाद बनी मुगल मस्जिदों पर भी इसका गहरा प्रभाव पड़ा। इस कारण बड़ा गुंबद मस्जिद को लोधी काल की स्थापत्य कला का अनमोल रत्न माना जाता है। This mosque is situated inside the Lodi garden and the beautiful stone carving art. It attracts the people to visit inside the mosque. But this is under Archaeological Survey of India, and the performing namaz inside it's completely prohibited. People come here, visit inside without putting off their shoes, and it is attract the number of people. It is stone carving art, and that beautifully they have carved with the stone, and this is how impressively they have designed, and they carve the Arabic verses with the stone, and how beautifully they have designed. And the structure, this is the amazing structure of Lodhi dynasty, and at the top of the roof there is a floral design, and they have also carved the stone carving art, and the verses of Quran can be seen on the top of this. We are going to finish our vlog. You will love this. If you want to watch some more videos like that, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you would get the very first notification. So shortly we are gonna meet you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care and have a wonderful day.